Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Poco F7 Ultra with metal middle frame. Premium glass back unified design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 2K AMOLED display. 6.67 inches wide Quad HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 aspect. Ratio, approximately 89.3% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 526 ppi pixel density, 3200 nits. Peak brightness, Dolby Vision and HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Poco Shield glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm light fusion 800 image sensor. Wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.6 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 60mm Samsung S5 KJN5 sensor 2.5x optical zoom floating telephoto camera with aperture 2.0 and support optical image stabilization, and 32 megapixel 15mm Samsung S5 KKD1 sensor. Ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 32 megapixel 24mm centered punch. Whole front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 8K at 24 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30, 60 fps on front camera. AI creativity assistant for camera features like AI image enhancement, AI film, AI erase pro, AI image expansion. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS 2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.32 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.26 by 74.95 by 8.39 mm, and it weighs around 212 grams, and the color options, black, yellow colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5300 mAh battery, with 120 watt wired hypercharge fast charging, 50 watt wireless hypercharge charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port, 3D dual-channel ice loop 5400 square millimeters vapor chamber cooling system. Vision Boost D7 chipset. Ultra-clear graphics with high energy efficiency, Wild Boost optimization 4.0 ultra software tuning, Super T1S tuner super antenna array ultra communication support. AI-driven assistant features like AI writing, AI speech recognition, AI interpreter, AI search, Google Gemini support, and Circle to search with Google, IR Blaster for remote control. Support, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB. Storage variant at $649, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at $699. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.